It's important to not only see the future, but to see it with clarity. Without clarity, your association will stumble forward through the many large repair and replacement expenses coming your way. Often the best way to get clarity is to use a guide. Just like how an air traffic controller helps a flight crew navigate through the night sky, getting the right guidance makes all the difference. You can either have a smooth flight to the future or suffer through the turbulence of special assessments, deferred maintenance, and declining property values. It's your choice.
All right, now we're going to help you learn about your vision for seeing and preparing for the future, how to understand what your own eyes and ears and senses are telling you. Your senses, your ability to see forward, to look forward into the future, it helps if you can relate to your own experience. And that may be like thinking about how long it takes to do your daily commute or one of your normal errands. So let's go back to where we started, at a mid-rise condo building, where for the person with the inexperienced eye, typically the board or homeowner, they can clearly see these near-term projects. You know things. Again, like that normal errand that you run to school, to the office, to the grocery store, whatever it is. Except now, let's think of it like actually going to the eye doctor and getting your vision checked. Those big letters or numbers at the top, the easy ones, they're easy to see for the inexperienced eye, the board or the homeowner. Now for this person, the big near-term things are clear. They dominate your vision, your comprehension. Those mid-range projects are a bit fuzzy and you don't even care about those little tiny ones far out into the future. That's totally fine. That's someone with near-term vision. Now you get to someone with mid-range vision. They can see a few years into the future. Take some experience to spot the differences from something that's old, something that's new, and the implications of how fast these things are happening. But to spot these mid-range projects, you need some discernment above what's considered patently obvious at the top of the eye chart. And then for those long-range projects, you probably saw this coming. Those are generally things that take a special skill or background experience. It may mean corrective lenses, binoculars, but to help you understand what's going on here, that trained person can make good estimates. They see these distant things clearly. Now, time moves forward just without pause, like a freight train just barreling down the tracks. Those future projects will happen. They draw closer every day. If you wait until you personally can see them clearly with your own eyes, your own skills, that means that the elevator is failing. The roof is leaking. There are potholes in the asphalt. And at that point in time, it's too late to plan ahead. And coal miners, with their lives on the line, figured this out long ago. Miners would die from carbon monoxide poisoning deep in a mine. They learned that canaries were especially sensitive to carbon monoxide, so they started bringing canaries down into the mine as an early warning alarm. So when the canaries stopped singing, the miners knew, bingo, they're in danger and they need to get out of there quickly. So they found a tool to help them see the future more clearly than they could see it themselves. So remember that on this trip that you're on, you and your association, although you're piloting this airplane of the association into the future, you're not alone. Use your team, use the resources at your disposal to help see ahead. So use your own early warning system, and that will help you gain understanding and insights that you just don't have all on your own if you rely on your own skills. That's your early warning system.
At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.